welcome to my kitchen. So today I'll be showing you how to make a recipe called apple nachos. So for this recipe, you need apple slices, melted peanut butter, which I heated in the microwave for about 20 seconds until it looked like this, and toppings. So I'll be using chocolate chips, but you can be creative and use different things like coconut shreds or even nuts. So let's get started. So first, you'll take your plate and you're going to layer your apple slices on your plate. You can use any pattern you want and just be creative. So today I'm actually going to be using Granny Smith apples, which are actually named after a real woman. So as the story goes, in 1868, in a farm near what is now Sydney, Australia, Mrs. Maria Ann Granny Smith, as she was called, was discarding French crab apples when a chance seedling emerged and became the Granny Smith apple. So just keep layering on your plate. And once you like your pattern, we'll move to the next step. So this pattern looks pretty good to me, like that. And then you're going to take your melted peanut butter and you're going to drizzle it over your apple slices, like the cheese. Just keep going. You can even change the direction. And next, you add your toppings. So I have some chocolate chips, and I'll just take a couple and sprinkle them over my apples, just like that. And now you have apple nachos. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.